In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Klarna customer service. If you need assistance with your purchases or have questions about your payments, connecting with Klarna's support team can be incredibly useful. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward as possible. Let's start by heading over to the Klarna website. Open your preferred web browser and type in klarna.com to navigate to their homepage. Klarna offers a range of services including the ability to compare prices and pay in 4 easy installments, so you'll find a lot of useful features right at your fingertips. Once you're on the Klarna homepage, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Here you'll find various options, but what we are interested in is the customer service section. Go ahead and click on customer service. This section is specifically designed to assist you with any queries or issues you may encounter while using Klarna's services. After you've clicked on customer service, you'll be taken to a page dedicated to providing help and support. This is where you can access various resources that Klarna offers. Scroll slightly and look for the option to sign in to chat with us. This feature is really convenient because it allows you to have a real-time conversation with Klarna's customer service representatives. The representatives can help you with specific problems you might be facing, and it's the next best thing to a phone call, providing personalized assistance right at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign in to chat with us button. This will prompt you to log into your Klarna account if you haven't already. Having an account allows the customer service team to quickly access the details of your recent transactions, making it easier for them to assist you efficiently. If you don't already have an account, you might need to create one before proceeding to chat. It's a simple process, and having an account ensures you can have seamless interactions with the service representatives. Once you've signed in, go back to the main customer service page if needed, and find and click on Contact Us. This will present you with various ways to get in touch, including an option for live chat. The live chat is one of the most popular features because it allows you to type your questions and get immediate responses. So there you have it. Following these easy steps will connect you with Klarna's dedicated support team in no time. They'll be more than happy to assist you with any inquiries or issues you might have. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping with Klarna.